a shy person.
I accept you for who you are.
Wow, that's nice. People always say that. And like 2 days after, them change like lizard.
No, I'm the most genuine person. Fingers crossed. Can we see you now?
You ever come to Jamaica before?
I would love to visit Jamaica, Bomboclad.
What the fuck? Shut up.
Okay, Boomerang.
Somebody in our chat said, show the warmness, bro. Don't afraid.
Where's that? What does that mean?
When you're ugly, them say you're warm. So someone in the chat, like type and say, show your warmness, bro. Don't be afraid. Yes, I'm just like show my face and want to say it. But you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Now I see why you named the queen.
You look good. You look good too.
No, for real?
Yeah, for real.
So you see me as your king?
Yeah.
No, for real, because I see you as my queen. No,
thank you, Wagwan. Thank you. No ghost. I'm in Nigeria right now.
No, I should be in Nigeria next week.
Really?
Yeah, D-Man, me and him have a show in Nigeria next week. And you know D-Man, the ugliest man on the planet?
Yeah, D-Man.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you're welcome.
Huh?
You're welcome.
No, definitely. No, but what about invited to Jamaica? I will pay for the plane ticket.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Come on now, baby, for real. I'm loving everything.
I would love to come to Jamaica. I would love to come to Jamaica. I would love to come.
Okay. What you should do just now, pack your suitcase.
Okay. No problem.
Go for it just now. You really don't know who you're messing with right now. I'm one of the biggest TikToker in Jamaica. My name is George. What's wrong with the Wi-Fi?
Can you see me now? Yeah, my network is glitching. Can you see me now?
Yeah, baby, the moment like...
Can you see me now? Is it okay now?
Yeah, I'm seeing you now.
Okay, you see that energy you just gave? I love the energy, you know. Like you're telling me I don't know who you're messing with. You can do this, you can do that. I like the energy.
No, honestly.
I like it.
I'm not a kappa. Everything I'm saying to you just now, believe it's real.
I believe
I would love to meet you though. I would love to play one part in your life. No, for real, baby. No, I like everything about you. That's a real. That's a
no, it's not. It's a wig. It's a wig. You know we have wigs in Nigeria. Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Like
so it's a different when you take off that wig.
Yeah, I have, you know, a natural hair.
Before we're gonna further. Take it off.
You see?
So I could see how you look for real.
You see that?
Take it off. Take it right off.
No, I'm gonna send you the look on, you know.
Okay, baby. Let's play one more.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, it's
Who is
fun.
Jetty? Everyone is talking about Jetty. Who is Jetty?
Come on now.
Jay.
She's just someone who I play a match with. Everyone think it's my female, but she's just my bestie.
Oh, she's your bestie. Okay.
Yeah, we always play a match.
I don't like guys with besties.
No, come on, for real. Listen me out. Pretend like the comment section invisible. Look at me, baby. Let me your iconic and make 4 at all time. Yeah, no, I think you should focus on me. I'm focusing on you too.
Okay, thank you.
That's your real lips? Or you have a lipstick? Oh, don't you? Come on now, you don't want to turn me on? Don't. Kiss me again. What?
I'm shy. I'm shy now.
Stop. Declare yourself. Stand up.
Me?
Listen.
I can't show public.
No,
Everybody's gonna see.
Sorry. Shut. I never said no.
Everybody's gonna see. It's personal.
No.
It's personal. It's personal, me and you. If I show them, everybody's gonna see me. It's not good. Just you see me. Stand up.
Okay.
Yeah, only you should see me. I don't want everybody. I don't want everybody to.
Queen. Hello. You know to send one view?
Yeah.
I need you to send me one view. No.
Yeah, I'll send you 5.
5? Woo! That's so nice. Yeah, send me 5.
Yeah, I'm gonna send.
Yeah, I'm really think you have to send 5. Chat, power talk.
I said 2 more roses, please. He backs.
Follow my page. I will follow you back.
Okay. Alright,
Yeah,
sure, no
page.
problem.
No, for real. I'm loving you.
Oh. Chatting 2 more roses.
Chat, power talk.
Chatting 2 more
You
roses.
see them
Timmy,
white,
one more.
baby. Like you brush your teeth.
One more, Timmy. Thank you. Blessing. Thank you,
like
baby.
when you keep your teeth them clean. And you know Annie? You know Annie?
Honey, from where?
Yeah, she do TikTok.
Oh, what's her name? Honey what?
Annie, once you type in AN, you see she come up. You need to have her finish type out the rest side. Listen me out.
Maybe I know her.
No, you would want see Annie. Chat, power tops. Listen me out. No, I like you. You keep them white and pretty. I'm like
Thank
it.
you. They go double.
No,
Thank
honestly,
you.
baby, would I wake up with you like every morning and kiss you for your cheek before I go to work?
Stop.
No,
You're
I'm a
making me
contractor now. I have like a lot of house. Yeah, working on. Yeah, I'm
Thank you,
happy.
Blessing.
Rent a pay? I think you should stop. I can buy a house in Jamaica.
Oh, really? So you're like rich?
Come on now, baby. I put the R in rich.
I like them rich.
Chat short. Chat short, my team.
Che, do we have a glove? Let's with this. Blessing, thank you so much. Thank you, Blessing. Thank you. Do we have a glove? Triple, who is triple?
Me even like that way they should could have it up. I know how them stay. No, I like your chain.
Thank you.
Diamond or pearl?
Where?
No, yeah, necklace. It's diamond or pearl?
Thank you. It's a pearl in golden color.
Oh, wow, my name is Earl.
Oh, that's cute.
No, for real, that means you could have rocked my world. No, I'm not Michael Jackson though. No, you remind me of Janet Jackson. God no, baby. No, baby, everything boy you like, God no, words not there for talk. But baby, I really see as a female when me and you intercourse. No, you look like
Chicken with style.
No, I feel like say I made for Christmas chat power tops.
Thank you, Timmy. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, MVP, Blessing. Thank you, everybody tapping. Thank you. Who is triple?
Queen, I get a call a while ago. Me have to go up on the road go deal with something emergency, baby. Money so me can send for you.
My country.
I wanna be loved. I wanna be loved. Chuck, you see a blooper? Bro, me not like people who go around and just bloop dog and talk, bro. You see a person who talkative, you have to be weird at them, you have to watch them, bro. You see people who go around and just chat, bro. Believe, bro, enough of them a blooper, cause why them a chat, why them a do that? I tell the woman about triple and jetty. That's why me can't get no woman around here, no for a cocky blacker dog. My cocky can't prosper. My cocky can't blood clot prosper. Just choose someone, you know. Who not always a go around and a carry news. For what? Gone, my God.